Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing one of my favorite videos ever, which I say every month, and that is my Boxycharm unboxing. Before we get started, please excuse the mess. I am currently working on moving into this room, and so yeah, that's great. And please ignore my nails because they are halfway done and my hair is wet, so this will be a great video, but I'm under a time crunch, so we're just gonna roll with it. So go ahead and opening this box up. The theme of this month is, does it have a theme? Life of the Party. Looks like this, and then you also have a 20% off Smashbox and a 25% off Laura Lee Cosmetics, Laura Lee Los Angeles on the back here. So if you guys want to use that, there are those codes, which I think is amazing. So the reason why I have no makeup on is because the first thing in the box that we're going to talk about are these. These are by Wanted Beauty, and they are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. These retail for $13 for, I'm assuming, 3 of them. I don't know if they're a piece or for all 3, but I'm going to assume they're for all 3. Wonder Beauty is cruelty free, of course, and actually everything in this box this month is cruelty free. So opening the packaging up like this, and they look like that. So they are actually gold. Oh my gosh, they're sparkly. I love it. Okay, so going ahead and putting these on the face. I'm going to be looking over here because I have a mirror here, so I'm sorry about that. Looks like you have to peel these 2 circles apart to get to the actual eye masks. These are so weird. They're like, I dropped one. They're like felty, kind of. Hair's in the way as per usual. Ooh, that's like instantly cooling. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay. And you can see even more of the mess. I'm currently sitting in my boyfriend's gaming chair because my chair is put up at the moment. Gonna get the other guy on here. These feel so good. And because they're like foily or gold, I guess. Somebody's driving by my house right now, which is that noise you hear. So because of that, they're like not gonna fall. Also, I just realized I left my ceiling fan on, and you can probably hear that, which is obnoxious. So yeah, let's go ahead and talk about these other 2 things that I'm not gonna be trying on real quick, and then I will shut that off. This is the Odessa New York, where are you? Nail treatment. Sweet almond coconut cuticle oil. Looks like this. I do like Odessa nail polishes. They're really good. So let's just see. I'm just gonna throw it on my nail here and see what happens, because this nail doesn't have anything on it. So they're just gonna kind of set in my drawer, I guess. This is in the style Bombshell. They're really pretty. They're like really dramatic. So I mean, maybe if I ever feel the need to wear lashes, I'll have them. I guess that's cool. So yeah, I'm gonna let these just kind of chill on my face for a little bit, and then come back and see if it made a difference. I don't know how long we're supposed to leave these on, so I'll be back in like 10 minutes. Alright, it's been about 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and take these off, and we're going to see how it did. It did kind of slip on this side a little bit, but this side stayed intact. But it's not one of those ones where like you look down and it's just falling down your face, which I hate. I also hate my hair right now because it's like wet and I look like I have a mullet. Okay, anyway, let's peel these off. There's that. What do you guys think? Rub in this like excess. Alright, I actually, like, I'm not being dramatic, but I actually feel like that kind of did something. I feel like my eyes are not as puffy as they were and not as purple. That's kind of amazing. Alright, I'm digging that. Also, I forgot to tell you the House of lashes retail for anywhere from $9 to $12, so I'll have to leave my actual style price down below, but I will of course do that for you guys. Now I'm gonna go put on some makeup up until the point where I'm ready for my next product. Be right back. And we're back. So the next thing in here I'm super excited about. I actually was going to purchase this and then didn't, so I'm glad that I didn't. But that is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. I'm so excited. Like, I really want to try the other one too, Boss Babe, I think is what it's called. Yes, Boss Babe. But this one's really pretty. It's so fun. I know a lot of people were annoyed that we got this one because it's so colorful, but I'm kind of really excited because I feel like we get a lot of neutral palettes with Boxycharm, which is fine. I love a good neutral palette, but I'm really into color. Like, I love colorful eyeshadows. I think they're really cool and they always look amazing, so I'm super excited. No idea what I'm going to be doing with this, but we're gonna play. So I'm going to pick up a fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with It's a Party, this yellowy green shade, and I'm going to put that in the crease to start. Okay, dipping in again. Should probably done some swatches of these for you guys, huh? This one is not as pigmented as I want it to be. It's alright, we'll make it work. I'm going really hard in there. Okay, let's see. It's like a very highlighter yellowy color. It's pretty. Okay, using that same brush, I'm going to pick up the orange color called Dranks, and just go right over top of that, but not quite as far up. Pretty. A little bit more. Orange is definitely more pigmented than the yellow is. I kind of want to use all of these colors. Can we do it? I put on a very, very nude lip because I knew that we were going to be using this palette. So there's that. I actually didn't get, everyone was supposed to receive a Smashbox lip product in their box, and I actually did not get mine. So I already contacted Boxycharm and they said they will put it in my next month's box, but I can't show that to you guys. Now I'm going to pick up a flat brush. This is a Luxie Concealer. Going from inner corner to about 2/3 of the way out. Just leaving that outer third bare. My lighting in here sucks, you guys. Like, it's awful. Can't really see in front of me. Which makes no sense because I'm literally sitting in front of an open window. And I can't really see what I'm doing. Really need to get that fixed. I just need to get like a light right here. Going back in with that tapered blending brush and picking up It's a Party and Strengths together. I'm gonna just go over in the inner corner a little bit, meeting where that pink starts. Okay. Now let's pick up this brush. This is by Wet n Wild. It's just a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take Hungover, this purple shade right here. I'm going to put that in the outer corner, mixing it with a little bit of Damage Control, that blue, but first I'm going to put down the purple. Actually, maybe I'm not going to mix it. I might just leave it just at Hungover. And in the outer corner and working it up into the crease a little as well, just in that outer crease though. Okay. And this is great. Like, I know a lot of people are scared of color, and that's fine, but this is a great palette to like pair with other things too, just for a pop of color. Like, if you look at this and you're like, there's no way, then that's a great way to use it, is just like adding a little pop of